Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you use your pinch to zoom feature on your YouTube. So this is a brand new feature. Uh, in this video, I'm going to tell you about it. You have to open your YouTube app and click on the profile icon and go to the settings. There you can see the option of try new features. Below the strict privacy, you have to click on it, and there you can see that only premium subscribers can avail this feature. So YouTube currently do not allow all the users to use this feature. Only the premium users who purchase the YouTube premium subscription will be able to use this feature. Now I'm going to tell you that what is this feature. So when you play a video, you can pinch to zoom in or fit into the screen, but when you got this feature, you can zoom the video at any extent you want: 4x, 6x, 12x, 8x. It is up to you. So this feature basically work like a photo, that you can zoom a picture many times on your mobile phone. So after this feature, you will be able to zoom videos or a special portion of the video you like. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any doubt, any confusion, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.